Hi guys! Today we'll show you how to fix TikTok not uploading videos on iPhone. First, unlock your phone and open TikTok. Tap on Profile at the bottom right side of the screen. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right side of the screen. Different options will appear. Scroll through the settings until you find Free Up Space. Tap on it. Then find the Cache section and tap Clear. Confirm by tapping Clear again. If the issue is still there, open the Recent Apps screen and remove TikTok from the background by swiping it away. Then reopen TikTok and try uploading your video again. If TikTok is still not uploading, open Settings and tap on General. Tap on iPhone Storage to see the apps installed on your iPhone. Scroll through the apps and find TikTok. Tap on it and select Offload App. After that, reinstall TikTok and try uploading your video again. And that's how you can fix TikTok not uploading videos on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Solution Lab and comment if you want more TikTok tutorials.